In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a butterfly step by step. For the first step, draw a slightly curved line down the center of your paper, and make sure to draw this lightly as we will be erasing it later on. For step 2, draw a small heart shape at the top of that line to create the head. For step 3, draw an oval in the middle to create the shape for the body. Step 4 will be a triangle shape starting from the oval all the way to the end of that line. For step 5, draw the following 6 lines that begin at the head and body of the butterfly. And as you can probably tell, we are in the process of creating the wings. So for step number 6, simply connect those lines together into 4 sections and try to do this as symmetrically as possible on both sides. Step 7 is drawing the antennas, so draw 2 lines coming out from the top of the head and draw 2 small dots at the tip of them. Now for step 8, simply erase that middle line we had created initially. For step 9, draw a few horizontal lines going down the tail. For step 10, we will be drawing the patterns inside of the wings. And remember that a butterfly is symmetrical, so try to keep the patterns the same on both sides. And if you'd like, you can create your own patterns and designs for this step. You don't have to necessarily follow mine. Now that we've created the bigger patterns, for step 11, draw small ovals along the edge of the wings to create the rest of the design. Step 12 will be the eyes, so first draw 2 ovals inside of the heart shape, and then draw 2 small circles inside of those and shade them in to create the pupils. For step 13, which is our final step, I'm going to show you a few different options for shading and coloring in the butterfly. This part is optional, and obviously I'm doing this digitally, but if you drew it by hand, then you can use any color medium you would like. So for option number 1, which is no color, I'm going to shade in the outer parts of the wings black along with parts of the tail. For option 2, I will use 2 shades of blue and 2 shades of gray to color in the butterfly. For option 3, I will use 2 shades of orange and 2 shades of tan. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to send me your drawings to my email shown on the screen.